question for you. Hypothetical situation. You've broken down in the middle of a field and you've got your antenna tuner in your car and your radio kit with batteries because you're well prepared. And yes, I know this is a bit of a stretch of the imagination, but let's roll with it. You've got a pair of scissors, some string, and rather bizarrely, you just so happen to have a ladder in your back. And the situation gets even more bizarre when you find that somebody has kindly already been down here and laid out a really nice big radial system for you. What do you do? Okay, so I've got my ladder set up. I've just got a little clip down here onto the ladder. The ladder's insulated on the bottom here with the rubber feet. Yeah, it's touching the grass as well. It's not ideal, but it's an experiment at the end of the day. And goes into the back of my tuner here, and the tuner is connected to the ground radial system for a quarter wave vertical for 80 meters. Now, to tune it, all I've done is plugged the tuner into my MFJ, and I'll give you a second camera angle here. Here we go. And I'm going to tune it up on here. Until I get quite a nice SWR, so it's a bit of a fiddle. There we go, we're 1:1 SWR and 7150, so that's roughly around the SSB portion, which is where I'm going. Bottom of the band, CW stretch, yeah, about 1.2. I haven't got any computers or data stuff anyway, so I won't be doing data. And if we go up to 7.2, that's top of the band for us here in the UK. I believe in America you can go up to 7.3, but we're 7.2 is the limit. So that's quite a nice SWR. So all I'm going to do now is take this feeder cable and I'm going to plug it into the cable that comes out of the ground here, and I'll run it from back over there, which is my normal operating position. So theoretically we should have a vertical on 40 meters. I don't know how well this is going to work. We'll give it a go and see what happens.
How many power on you?
50 watts, 50 whiskies at this end, over.
Roger. Oh, very good. For now, 5.5 and good without QSB. Thank you for your call, James. Good truck portable for you. And stay healthy. Mike Zero Golf Quebec Charlie truck portable. You're now. Thank you, 73. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much, my friend. Best 7.3s, all the best.
73, Quebec, 20 meters, United Radio.
It worked.
Mike Zero Golf, Queen Charlie, about 5 and 5 into Illinois. Name is Chuck, over.
Okay, Chuck, you're 5 and 8 with me, 58, and I'm using a ladder as an antenna, would you believe? I've got my ladder set up as a vertical on the radio field from Mike Zero Golf Quebec Charlie Portable.
Okay, very fine on the ladder. Sounds good here into Illinois. Thanks a lot for calling in. 73 is Kilo Golf 9 November.
Mike Zero Golf Quebec Charlie Portable.
Mike Zero Golf Quebec Charlie Portable, I believe. W9ZR. You're about 5 and 5 this morning. Thank you for the call. 55. Name is Randy. We're in the state of Ohio. Over.
Okay, Randy, name this way is James, Juliet, Alpha, Mike, Sierra, in Wiltshire, which is the southern part of England, and running 50 watts into a ladder, would you believe? I'm using a ladder as an antenna, over.
A ladder? Is it ground mounted?
Yeah, roger, it's on the ground. I've got a quarter wave vertical for 80, and I've pulled down the vertical for maintenance, so I've just stood the ladder up in the middle of the radial field and used a tuner on that, and managed to rein it in quite nicely on 20. Go ahead.
Yeah, okay, sounds good. That's what you call being creative, James.
So, can you use a ladder as an antenna? Well, I managed to tune it up on 40, but it didn't seem to be working, but then a dummy load will tune up on 40. I had a lot more success on 20, and in actual fact it worked surprisingly well on 20. I suspect that's probably more to do with the length of it than anything. So the answer is yes, if at a pinch you can in fact use a ladder on 20 metres.
Thank you for watching. If you like what I do, please click the thumbs up button. It lets me know that I'm heading in the right direction with the channel and gives me the confidence to keep doing what I'm doing. Don't forget to click the subscribe and also the bell button to be notified when I upload new content. If you don't like what I'm doing, feel free to click the thumbs down button. Just tell me why in the comments below. I welcome your feedback, and constructive criticism will help me to improve the channel. Take care, and I hope you will catch me in the next video.